And birds. Whoa, so many birds. Oh, that was great. Wow, that's cool. That's like really cool. Whoa. Good day and welcome. Today, let's do a constant flow with the DJI Air 3S. We shall be using also ND filters from Freewell, split ND filters. What that means is you have ND16 on the main camera and ND8 on the secondary camera because, well, it's a bit darker and the sensor is smaller, so you need a little bit less of ND. By the way, thank you Freewell for sending me these filters. They are really great. So today we shall be exploring this amazing church. It looks epic.
Home point updated.
Take a look at that magnificent tower. It looks epic. Ooh. I'm quite surprised that this...
Max altitude reached.
No, I'm quite surprised how high this camera can be tilted. It's quite amazing. Whoop, jittered that. That was not very smooth. Approaching the cross, the top of the tower. Let's maybe do a dive-like shot. Whee! Just... Ah, messed it up. This is not very good flight right here. Oh no. Let's get it precisely in center. Look at this street. It's just built for this church. It's like in a perfect symmetry with road. Amazing. So let's approach it with a smooth tilt upwards. Just like that. Very simple, yet I think a cool shot. What is this hole right here? Oh my god, it's a gap. I think so. I bet you could fly through with the DJI Neo right there. Let's do the tower climb again. Yeah. Cool. Okay, this was smoother. I think I'm still warming up. Yes. And let's go down. Almost. Oh no. Messed it up again. Like I said, this church looks really amazing. Just look at it. And the signal strength for the F3S is just amazing. And that small screen that shows you black and white image of what's on your sides or back is super useful. Using this, like any mode actually, 70mm especially. So let's do something interesting here. Let's fly through this gap. Whoa, that was a wire. Oh shit. I gotta be honest, I did not notice it. Yeah, straight through. This wouldn't be possible if the sensors would be turned on. So I usually fly with sensors off because that is the only way how you can achieve close call flight. Like close proximity. Another climb to the tower. This is way better than before. Sweet. Alright. So, do we have a car that we can track? Yeah, we do. Please turn. Please turn. Yeah. Oh no. That was pretty smooth for a while. For a little while. Alright, let's see what we have here. A street. Alright, so. Oh, a bird. Cool. Let's go like this. Not my smoothest constant flow, gotta say. I don't know why. But today I'm not as good as usually. Oh, another bird. Excellent. Birds are amazing. Don't be afraid of birds. Make them your friends that fly through the shot once in a while. Alright, let's approach the street. Check this glassy building. A tower. Wow, very nice. And now, center it. Center it. Oh, almost perfect. Okay, now the signal is glitching up. So let's move forward. What's the time? It's 15 past 1. Sweet. Check out that detail though. The Air 3S camera is just incredible. Another clock. Oh, and it's telling a different time. I wonder why. Is it broken or is it telling a time of a different country? Maybe. Dang, this church. Oh. Yeah. Alright, I think let's go and explore the 3X camera for a little bit. The black and white camera that shows your sides is super useful. Oh, look at that view. Beautiful. The old town of Riga, the library, everything. I love the 70mm camera. It's just... And birds! Whoa, so many birds! Oh, that was great. Haha! This is just amazing. And this is the National Museum of Arts. Alright, let's come back. Let's turn. Not very constant flowy, but I guess it works. More birds. Yeah, this black and white image that shows your sides is just incredible. I feel so much safer flying the 70mm camera. we have a bird on top of the tower. Maybe let's approach it. Wow, this looks actually really cool. Whoa, okay, I messed it up a bit. Oh no. But this bird though. Seagull. No, not in center. Center it, bro. Okay, I'm gonna center it. Please don't fly away yet. Oh no. Oh no, it flew away just in the... Okay, maybe we can follow the bird. can. Oh. Wow, that's cool. That's like really cool. Whoa. Wow, that was amazing. Thank you, Seagull. Thank you so much. Excellent. All right, the flight went well. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully you were also able to enjoy this flight. And that 70mm type shot with the bird, oh my God, I loved it. That was amazing. So yeah, hit that like button, maybe subscribe or share this video somewhere. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video.